Hey guys, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're making a rosary style necklace based off the series Outlander.
Hey girl, what's all this?
Okay, so that's amber.
It's beautiful.
And if you've never seen the show, you definitely need to because season 5 is about to come out. So you've got a lot of binge watching to do.
Wait, what show?
Oh gosh, Outlander.
Oh my gosh, I'm so behind. What do you mean season 5?
Season 5. Yeah,
Season
you got
five.
a lot
I've got 4
to watch.
seasons to watch. How many shows are there per season? Is there a lot? It's like 10, 3, 8?
There's a lot.
Oh dear. You know, this is cool. I see you have a dragonfly here, which is kind of neat because sometimes, you know, bugs get caught or we're caught in amber.
Yeah.
Is that like something that happened in this show?
Well, it's a book.
Oh, okay. Oh, and there's a book. I think I've seen that book.
Outlander.
It's like called Amber and Dragonfly or something like that. Oh, so
Yes,
cool.
yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
So I wanted to tie in a little bit of everything.
So I really like everything on this tray, but this druzy is really sparkling out at me. What's this
You
for?
love Druzy.
It's so gorgeous.
Okay,
I mean,
well.
I love that. Look at that sparkle.
It's amazing, and it's a connector, even better.
So we could go a lot of different directions with this, but what are we doing here?
So in the show, Claire, she's the main person. So she wears a druzy pendant, and it's to detect poison.
Oh.
Oh.
Do I need this? I don't know.
Yeah, you do. So this, I wanted to do a rosary style necklace because Jamie wears a rosary in the show.
Okay. And Jamie's another one of the main characters?
Yes.
Guy?
Yes, Guy.
Okay.
Big time.
Good looking?
Yeah.
All right, I like it. I like this
watching
show.
the show.
Okay. I love all the different colors of the amber in this. Are we just gonna mix it up? Or are we gonna try to?
Kind of just gonna go with it. This is super easy. The main tool that you really need is this one-step looper.
Love the
This-
one-step.
I mean, is it not a game changer?
Life-changing.
I probably wouldn't make this rosary if I didn't have this tool.
No, if you said we were doing rosary style necklaces and you didn't have these
Would you
here,
say
I would
hi?
be like,
Yeah.
Let me know
It
when
would
you're.
take
Let me know
forever
when you're
if you did.
finished,
Yes,
right?
I know. And then you'll probably need a chain nose plier just
Okay,
to
got
open and
one.
close your loop. And then some kind of cutter. You can use a scissor if you want to just cut your strand
cut the
over.
amber open. Okay, got it.
So you got your 20 gauge wire, your amber, your druzy, your dragonfly, and your clasp.
Got it.
Okay, so I just kind of cut myself a piece off. And I mean, you know how to do this.
Yeah, I know, but I'm interested in the design that you came up with. So, I mean, I know you said you mashed up some stuff here. You took several different characters, right? Because you said this was Claire.
Yes, Claire.
And this was from the book, and this was from Jamie, the rosary. So you kind of
Yes.
mashed up several characters and made a piece based on all of it, which is kind of neat.
And the one-step looper, I mean, is really, really, really awesome. You might want to get in close to see how this bad boy works because it's a one-step loop. And look at that.
That's amazing. You know, the cool thing is that I can do it too, and it's gonna look exactly the same.
I
Just get
know.
the same tool. Watch.
Let's see you.
I'll do it. So I'm gonna go through that little hole on the side there because it like trims it up for you too.
does.
And so then you just squeeze. I mean, this is crazy. One squeeze, and you got your loop. Boom.
Every single
Look.
time.
They're exactly the same. So you could make half the necklace, and I could make half.
And
the
it's still
necklace.
gonna look the same.
Perfect.
Because our loops are exactly the same. So then you just add your little amber, and you can do this while you're sitting there watching Outlander
Yeah, you could because it's that easy.
and watching Jamie. He's
I'm
worth the
looking forward to
watch.
this, I'll tell you. Jamie. Oops, I missed the hole.
She's quite the catch too.
Is she?
Oh yeah.
Are they a couple? Look at that's cool though. Look, I'm doing the second side, and I think that's just so amazing because look, now I've got a connector made.
Yeah. You should so show that.
I think I've got this part down.
I know. I mean, it's amazing.
I mean, that is the whole connector.
I think that I am just like so much faster than you.
Wait a minute, what's going on over here? How did you make so many so fast?
One-step looper.
I feel like you cheated. Did you start on this before I got here today?
Nope.
Oh, you are not telling me the truth. I feel.
Okay, I might have done those.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I will tell you something though.
What? The lighter colors look better.
Nope.
What?
That when you do this, that you don't want to get too close to the amber because it will break.
The amber will?
If you push down really hard.
Oh yeah, because it's kind of a fragile. It's not a stone. It's an organic gemstone, which is kind of neat. You know, it actually came.
Be careful.
Yeah, it actually came from tree sap.
Yes.
I mean, literally ancient, like petrified tree sap from the Baltic. So we're just connecting these babies together.
Yes. So now we're gonna just start. We're gonna take our little chain nose and just start connecting.
Okay.
So easy. Like if you have this one-step looper, you can make anything.
So literally just twist open and connect them, right? We're not.
Yes.
And you don't have any particular order on this design. Just whatever color comes next. You're not being.
Yeah, it would. I don't put the dark ones next to each other. I kind of try to space them out a little bit.
Right. I got you.
Once you get a bunch done, so we could probably connect those two together now.
Okay, I'll do that.
And then we can connect it to our druzy.
Okay.
Because we don't want poison.
No, we definitely need the druzy. So I'm gonna put this light one next to that darker one so it's not two the same. How's that?
Perfect.
Cute.
And now this will be where we hang it off the druzy. Okay, so we're just gonna connect that to the druzy because this is so awesome. It's a connector.
Well, it's nice also that you're using 20 gauge wire, so it's gonna be heavy enough to hold on to that big old druzy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you got your little piece. I mean, your measurements are gonna change depending on who you are.
So where is this piece going? Is this like the long piece?
This is gonna be hanging right here.
Oh, okay. And then the dragonfly hangs down from
Yes.
that. Oh, cute.
The bottom part of the rosary style.
Yeah.
And then you add your little, but you wanna make sure.
He hangs the right direction.
See, he's not. We gotta turn him around.
Oh, good point. Yeah, I would like my dragonfly and my poison. And my poison defer to be facing the same direction.
There. So you got that part.
That's cute.
And then all you have to do now is keep making these little
The little connectors?
yes.
Okay.
And then you will put it around your neck. So I've already made 2 strands if you want to see them.
Yeah, let me see.
Kind of cheated.
What a shocker. Ta-da! Ooh.
And so you can keep going, but I kind of always measure mine.
Just based on yourself?
Yeah, because I have a really short torso. You probably got a longer one.
I do, but I mean, you definitely don't want it hanging down too far.
No.
Yeah.
But so right around here. So how long do you think that is? That's
Let me see.
probably
It is
12.
right at 13 inches.
13. I was close.
With the class.
Okay.
So 26 inches essentially of chain.
But you can go less or more depending on.
And you're putting a clasp on it. You wouldn't have to necessarily though with 20.
don't have
You
to.
could get that over your head.
But some people have their hair up and
I don't like pulling stuff over my head
Mess
because
it
I
all
just,
up.
don't need that. Okay, so
So-
how do we attach this part though?
We're just gonna open this up and literally no jump rings needed. All you need is that 20 gauge wire. You're gonna connect it straight onto the connector.
That's good. The connector has the loop going in the right direction too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you do the other side.
Okay, so just kind of make sure that you're on the opposite side of that little loop and twist closed. And then attaching the clasp, and you already put it on here, but that's exactly the same thing, right? You just look how good these magnets are. They
amazing.
love each other.
Those are my favorite things in the world.
I like them because they're really small and really, really strong.
I change out all of my lobster claw clasps to this.
For this little magnet.
Yes.
You know why? I mean, I like magnet clasps too, but I really like this one because I just like the size of it.
Yeah,
just
you
don't
can even
notice
tell
it.
that it's on this necklace.
It doesn't even look, I mean, it doesn't mess up the design at all.
Very dainty.
Yeah. So then
You're ready to go.
it goes like that. Yep.
Yep.
That's a good length for me too. I mean,
Yeah.
really, I think that 26 inches was a really good length. And my dragonfly is hanging in the right direction.
Looky there.
Look at
How
that.
cute is that?
So cute.
Now
Great
you
design.
need to go
now I need to go watch
Outlander.
the show. Yes. Now I need to get to. Okay, so I've got 5 seasons.
You got a
I've
lot,
got a lot to watch.
to catch up
I'm
on.
just saying.
But once you see Jamie, you'll be hooked.
I'll be. Yep. I think so. So if you want to make a rosary style necklace in the Outlander series style,
yes.
What do you need, Alicia?
You need a one-step looper, best tool ever.
Absolutely.
Chain nose plier, a flush cutter, some 20 gauge wire, the druzy connector, the Dragonfly, and the amber, and then last but not least, a clasp. I prefer magnetic.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies, like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. Who is your favorite Outlander character?
Jamie.
Oh, Jamie. I can't really pick him because I haven't seen it yet, but let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you'd like to see more videos. And now that you've learned how to make a rosary style necklace in the Outlander style, you can say,
I made this.